SOS Plumbing has been family-owned and operated since 1970. We offer fast, efficient, and affordable local plumbing and rooter service, as well as specialized sewer, drain, and water pipe restoration. All of our guys are qualified, trained, and I supervise the jobs that we do. One of our other solutions that we offer is our E-pipe pipe restoration process, where we're able to restore the existing copper pipes in place with our new E-pipe process, which will completely eliminate pinhole leaks in the future. Our goal is to provide 100% customer satisfaction and the best warranties in the business.